Leif Erikson Drive, big house, big boats, some car noise, and what a price on our newest listing right here in Astoria. Let's take a walk through our newest listing. This is on Leif Erikson Drive at the north side, uptown part of Astoria. This classic Astoria house is giant. Every room's huge. You can see here in the living room. That's a big couch. That's a big couch. That's a big TV. This is a big room. I love the entryway here. Up the stairs. Through the kitchen. They've got a formal dining room. It's set up, as an office, as people tend to do. Kind of use it as they need, more than, what it was designed for, but just an amazing room right here. Right on through to the kitchen. Kitchen's a little bit unique. I think unique's a great word for it. Big. You got a little powder room off to the side there. You've got the oven there on the wall. Just on the other side of that is the what is that called? Formal diner. And then you kind of have this interesting little area here where you got your sink, your dishwasher, cabinetry, that kind of is part of the kitchen. And then this really cool back side of the home entryway. Just a really cute little entryway there. Like I said, powder room. Kitchen, take advantage of that plumbing. We'll go upstairs. There is a downstairs to the house. I don't want to make this video long. It's a big house. There are 2 bedrooms downstairs, a bathroom downstairs, and then an area that you could definitely finish out if you wanted to make this multi-generational living pretty easy for a big family. Upstairs, I think this is a really cool little landing area. So you come up the stairs. It's just a really beautiful look. Bathroom there, full bathroom there, and then the bathroom downstairs is a full bathroom. And then I think it's cool. You have these 2 doors. They both lead to 1 bedroom, huge and really cool. A couple of closets in here. So just everything about the house is big. I love it. If you want space, this is it. Good sized bathroom. Another bedroom. Good size. That's a king. Through this window, you can see some big boats. I know you're looking through the screen, so there's a better view. I mean, that's a good view. There's a view without the screen. Let's go look at that now. So 2 big bedrooms upstairs, and then this room, which totally could be a little kid's room, playroom, office, and then there you go. There you go. There's a big boat out there, and maybe you heard that big truck back here. So this is it. Leif Erikson, no price. Probably what you've been waiting for this whole video. $399. These owners bought it for, full disclosure, $430. They put money into it. They took care of paint on the outside. They got the landscaping much better than it used to be when they bought it. And they put a new roof on it. The outside is pretty darn buttoned up. Inside, you can see there are some things that you probably want to do, but by no means do you really have to do anything with this house. Now, is something going to show up on the inspection? Yes, of course, because every house has something that shows up on the inspection. And this is a very old house. So yeah, things are gonna show up. But you don't have to do anything to start moving in and living here and, then update and change things out and repair a few things here and there. That's it. I guess I'll show you one more thing, and we'll wrap this dang video up at about 5 minutes here. Nice yard. Lots of sun in the yard. And so if you wanted to do a garden or something, boom, there it is. Leif Erikson Drive, busy. You're gonna have road noise. So what for a house like this? This house is cool. That's it. Thanks for taking the tour with us.
We'll catch you on the next video. Go to our YouTube channel if you want to see more videos like this, videos about real estate topics, and videos about the neighborhoods, the towns, the communities up and down the Oregon coast that we work in. Thanks for joining us.